Oh, I'm so happy to hear your voices again.
Yours as well.
Yours as well, Bear.
Missed you guys.
Given the fact you're alive and well.
On your 6 penis.
Oh, just call him Radio, Bear. Just call him Radio, I beg you.
Yeah, hang in there, penis. Hang on. Come back, penis. Are you down, penis? Oh no, penis is down. My penis, why did he die? I wonder where my penis went.
He's in the rectum now.
I think he called the gunship.
He did.
Yeah, at us. Over us. Yep.
Yep.
This is how they lost the game.
Gunship incoming at our place. So
Oh, yeah, it's directly.
don't go outside.
Well, I'm not planning on going outside at the moment, Bear.
Can't wait to see. Oh, the commander's gonna kill himself. Yep. He killed himself with the rocket of the gunship.
Where is the commander? Oh, there.
I shall flag
He
that.
found his rectum. I'm so proud.
God damn it.
Oh, you missed. Quick.
Good job, Radio.
Oh yeah.
Why did that not destroy it? It's right next to it.
Reloading. Back in. Oh, you're 6, Mr. Rectum.
I love being punished for the stupidity of our friendlies.
Why?
Why?
Habibi.
I thought that was you.
No.
Aren't you on the point? Who's on the point?
No.
Who's on the point?
I don't know,
I'm on the
Radio.
point.
Okay, I thought there was radio in the doorway. So I'm like, oh,
No.
no, but apparently.
I was wondering why you were walking straight towards him.
Well, no, his icon was right behind him.
But Radio's a bushman.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
That guy was like a terrorist.
I didn't know that. Do you think I paid attention to that?
No.
Why do you have to get so agitated?
Who? Me?
Ooh. Oh no.
You're supposed
Drama.
to be calm.
Drama clipping.
Drama.
Drama clip, drama alert.
Drama.
Content bait.
I can do the other boom boom thing again as well. I'm doing the boom boom.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Radio, I'm doing the boom boom.
Let me
I'm gonna throw
plan.
it.
Let me plan.
I'm gonna crumb.
Don't cry. Good job, guys.
You know, I've never thrown a block of C4 before, but I could imagine it's not as heavy as it looks in game.
Don't forget there's another
Oh,
one.
my ex-girlfriend asked her.
Thank you, man.
Nah, she's not that bad actually. She's
Is she
worse.
though? Oh, okay, never mind.
She always sounds like the devil when you talk about her.
That's worse.
Well, yeah.
So where's,
If you-
where's the punchline?
Talk to my girlfriend.
There's no punchline. The punchline is Bear.
Yeah, the punchline is your baby face, baby man.
Oh, it wasn't even in context. Thanks.
Yeah, I know.
Thanks, Creep.
You're welcome. We love you, buddy.
No, you don't.
Smooch. Hold on, where are you?
Oh, he's gonna smooch me. No, fuck off.
Yeah, that's radio.
I'm gaming.
I'm gonna smooch you. Where are you? There you are. Smooch.
Blushish.
Oh fuck, there's a bunch of it here.
See, that's what you get.
That's what you get for failing to smooch me. Who gave him the binoculars?
Who gave little bro the binoculars?
Look at where he called him.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
We're gonna get extra smoke on that point.
It's oh so quiet
on the western
I
front.
didn't say that.
And it's also sung by Holy Shining Light Army.
Who is shooting bears?
York.
Who's shooting bear? He's chosen death. Who's shooting bear?
Yeah, contact north at the building. Northeast. H.
I love how they're already dead by the time he says.
Yeah, I'm too late. Always. I blame it on my penis.
Things I do not want the bear to say.
Reloading.
Section 1.
Yeah, sure. Just running from my bullets.
That's what I do.
Just talking to creep.
Move.
See?
Move. I will do it.
Vehicle.
Fuck, that killed me. No.
Is it because I picked it up?
No,
Oh
it's team
my
damage.
god.
Oh, a vehicle!
Nothing more? Question mark?
Pulling. Are you going to hop on?
Not really, I guess. Maybe. Why?
You know why? No, not in the machine gun.
I'm being shot, radio. Where are we going? Please.
Jesus Christ.
I'm dead.
No.
Thanks. Thanks, radio.
You failed to understand the assignment.
No.
Yeah, I did. If only you would have told me.
You should have known by now. Oh, what?
I got that on video.
Get on the point there. It's just you and this one dude.
It's just you and the other guy, and I don't trust him.
Don't trust me.
Just watch the door. Just
No,
watch,
we
watch
trust
the
him
door.
fully.
There.
He's having a ninja moment. He's gonna do it.
Stay with him and watch the other door to the southwest. No, bear, not the throwable. He's gonna throw it back. Ooh.
You got this. You got this. We believe in you.
Yeah, my wound is open again.
What?
No.
No, that's
Oh
bad.
no.
Please take care of it. Oh.
Holy!
No!
I shot him first.
Yeah, it's so
Perfect timing.
synchronized.
Holy shit. That was so perfect.
Look at me. Hold on.
It's gonna die.
we're coming!
Bro,
So synchronized.
Oh.
Yeah, I nearly had it.
He's getting flanked. He's gonna get down. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. He's getting flanked. He's getting flanked. Yep. The longer he waits, the more guys will come.
Can I come?
Can I come?
Yeah, he did it.
You did it. Good job, sir.
I'm coming for you! Fuck your father!
If you guys
I just heard
spam
my ex go-
soundboards, I'm gonna spam mine, and it will hurt you. It's like a
Can I
spritz
come?
water bottle. Just anytime someone's being too loud for my taste, I'm just gonna do like.
Ouch.
Say what?
I said I'm gonna do a. I'm joking.
No,
I
no,
can't
no,
do
no,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, we're coming!
He said the thing. Yeah, we're coming.
I'm coming for you!
Fake it so. They're not spotted.
Yeah, we're we're coming!
Oh my god, my heart. Was not prepared for this. Holy
Yippee!
fuck. Yippee!
Why'd you take so long?
Fuck off. I have almost 100 kills. Look at the rest of them.
Yeah, and meanwhile we're just sitting here with less than 30 kills.
I'm gaming.
You're gaming. You're gay? Question mark?
I'm not in the Navy, so no.
No one in the Navy is gay. The Army is gay. The the army is gay.
Get wrecked. Get
In the
wrecked.
navy,
What I
we get our
am
own bunks.
gonna do is hug a tree beer pick.
In the navy, we get our own beds. The army has to sleep in tents together.
You cannot take my booty! The booty is mine! It belongs to me!
There's a guy at the base of the bridge. Oh, you got him, good.
RPG?
Oh shit!
I'm sure this won't be an explosive mortar.
It's fine. No, I trusted you.
I knew it was going to be!
No, you witch. She got me again. This doesn't fit. This shouldn't fit. Ninja, where are we going?
I don't know, we're
Did someone kill
exploring.
Radio? Who killed Radio?
Who killed Radio? We gotta go get
Hey,
him.
he's dead.
Hold on.
Don't worry, guys. I'm coming. Oh, they already got it.
Ow! What the fuck? I say... yeah, I'm about to shoot this fucking bitch. What the fuck? Come here, bitch.
I nearly choked on that. This feels wrong.
I did it.
She instantly left.
This guy. I'm gonna pretend he's not there and just shoot anyway. Reloading!
We have seized like
Grenade!
a move. I slowly turned around.
We all slow walked back away from him. Nobody made a real attempt to avoid it. Hello. Helicopter.
I got it. Oh shit.
It's defeated.
It's like the opposite of yesterday. I actually hit it.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? Why was he just standing there with y'all? Like, what the fuck? What do you think he was a friendly?
Radio, here, now!
Wait.
Radio here now. Radio negative.
Yeah, I heard that.
I love that we had the same voice line for that one.
No! Careful! Grenade out!
No. No, he's got a knife. No.
Come here. Oh, man.
He's got a knife. He's got a knife.
I can't stand anymore.
Oh, Mini, there's the enemies.
Yeah,
Was that a mini gamer moment?
it is.
Are you making a video about minigamer moments?
Yeah, we're gonna make you famous in school.
Yay!
School.
You're gonna be a star.
Yay!
Yeah, wait, just hold on for a second so I can get a thumbnail of you.
Wait, with the RPG?
Fucking
Yeah, with the
scare
RPG.
me.
Come on.
Stay like that.
You're
Hold,
doing nothing.
Never mind.
hold on.
Thanks.
Enemy?
Oh shit, man! Yeah. What the?
Someone died.
You piece of shit!
What the hell happened?
He went in front of my Molotov. Just that. Fuck.
Was it a teammate?
Yes. Well, he's an enemy now. I'm hurt.
I hurt on that.
Can you knock it off with this joke already? What? What killed me? I think I got a present for you.
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, hold on.
Is that it?
Hold on.
Open wide.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, there we
Don't
go.
say open wide. Don't encourage him.
There we go.
Dum, 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 dum. Ooh, he's all bricked up. Owie. Owie.
Gonna kill him.
Only I died. And you, I guess.
He didn't.
Who's this goober then?
Someone else. He's trying to.
was-
So stupid.
You got it.
That was so funny.
I believe. That is really funny.
Yeah, we got it. I just need to check a C4 here, and then I ED over here, and it's all safe. Please.
You just know. It's fine. It's fine. We're professional.
He got fucking crossfired.
No, we're professional. Nothing wrong.
Oh my god.
Get remote.
That poor guy. Was that a mini gamer moment?
Probably it is.
Yeah, it was.
You got baited.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do it.
It was on purpose.
No, it wasn't. Shut up.
It was on purpose.
He
totally
hates
meant
me.
it.
No,
He wanted you
what
to
did I
shut
say
your
about the
mouth.
bromance thing? Do I hate you really?
It was a ruse. You just said that to get you to lower your guard.
You're ruse. I'm a fake. I don't exist. My words mean nothing. Apparently. Minigamer moment.
Yeah! I did it, I saw! I cleared the way, I helped, I was there.
Yes, you did.
So proud.
Oh, I'm trying my best.
You're trying now. Oh my god. What?
I am trying, but I'm not in a condition.
Jaxie boy.
Alright!
someone just passed.
He died.
They're upstairs.
It was Habibi. He died.
No, baby.
Oh, shit. The AI teabagged me.
You've been looking at bets.
I have, but I'm here now. It's okay. I
She's
literally
present.
walked in and cleared it. I'm here. No, every door has a fire on it because of me.
I'm dead.
Habibi, you got your head shot off instantly.
How did I fucking die?
Thank you. You're great. Very cool. Please, I want to hear. Please, I beg you. No. No.